Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen. Warning, warning, warning. Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we are going to be cooking a chocolate banana freeze. You will just need 3 ingredients: chocolate, peanut butter, and you guessed it, banana. Today's equipment includes a kettle, a pot, some tin foil, a chopping board, some cutlery. Now you have your ingredients and your equipment. Let's get cooking. Our first step is we need to melt our chocolate. You will need an adult to boil the kettle and to pour the hot water into a pot. You're going to leave that to melt, so set it aside. If it's taking too long to melt, put it on the hob at a low temperature and it will melt a lot quicker. While you're doing that, we are going to chop up our banana and top it with some peanut butter.
Hiya! 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 Hiya!
Hello? Did you know? Most people think bananas come from trees, but actually they come from plants. What? They can grow up to 15 feet high. Feet is a unit of measurement. It doesn't literally mean your actual feet. It's about 30 centimeters. Bananas contain lots of fiber and nutrients. What's fiber? Fiber is basically something our body needs to help us go to the toilet. Some of the nutrients in a banana is called potassium. Can you say potassium? Potassium. 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 Yeah, potassium. Yeah, potassium. Yeah, potassium. In my banana.
Oh yeah.
In my banana.
Oh yeah.
I've got some fiber and nutrients. In my banana.
Oh yeah.
In my banana.
Oh yeah.
I've got some fiber and nutrients. In my banana. Yeah. In my banana. Yeah. I've got some potassium. Potassium helps us fight off harmful diseases, so it is important to have bananas in our diet. Want to know some facts about peanut butter? I thought you'd never ask. Peanut butter is a healthy fat. It helps us build our muscles. And due to this, it helps us feel fuller for longer. It provides us with lots of energy. We can all agree chocolate is delicious, but it doesn't magically turn into a chocolate bar like the ones we see in our shops. It actually comes from a cacao bean. Yes, it comes from a bean. Cacao beans are grown in Central America and Africa. Their climates are perfect for the cacao bean. It's a hot and damp temperature, perfect for the plant to harvest. It takes 4 years for the cacao beans to harvest. Imagine the age you are now. You plant your cacao bean plant, and in 4 years' time, it's ready to harvest. That means when you're 4 years older. Even when it's ready to harvest, it only produces 1,000 cacao beans. That may seem a lot, but that only produces 1 kilogram of chocolate. That's the equivalent of 1 litre of water. It's really not that much at all. That's it from today's Messy Kitchen with Miss G. Don't be sad, I'll be back again with some more delicious recipes, so subscribe to my channel for more. I really hope you enjoyed cooking today, and I most importantly hope you enjoyed eating your chocolate banana freeze. I would love to see photos of you guys at home cooking. You can send them to Messy Kitchen with Miss G on Facebook, Instagram, or even here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe for more things like this.